Android proxy settings. How to use a proxy on Android. Step 1. Go to the Settings app and select Wi-Fi and Internet. Step 2. Find your Wi-Fi network. If you're currently connected to it, it should be the topmost option. Step 3. Select the gear icon on the right side and tap Modify. This will open a Preferences pop-up. If you can't see the gear icon, touch and hold the network name and tap Modify Network. Step 4. In the pop-up, tap on Advanced Options to extend the menu. You'll see the Proxy drop-down. Expand it. Step 5. In the drop-down, select Manual. This means that you'll enter your proxy server settings by yourself. If you're using a proxy at school or work, your network administrator might give you a PAC file to configure the settings automatically. Commercial proxy providers rarely do that. Step 6. Enter your proxy server's information. Step 7. Authenticate your proxies. Unlike iOS, Android devices don't have fields for authenticating the proxy server in the settings. Instead, you'll be asked to authenticate when you open your web browser. There, simply enter your credentials, username and password. If you've authenticated by whitelisting your IP address, you don't need to enter the credentials. Step 8. Test your proxies. Go to Show My IP to see if your IP address and location have changed. If you want to test the proxies in more detail, feel free to read our article on how to test proxies. That's it. You've successfully set up a proxy server on your Android device.